Hi.
You introduce it then.
I introduced it, but I haven't done your channel. Okay. Hi, Mr. Lucky Moto's fans. We're working on bike and putting on a crash cage. He got a lot of cocks, aka parts for his motorcycle. It has crash cage and shit like that. I don't know the rest of it. Also, hi, I'm a random person. You take over from here. And also, bubbles are really fun to pop.
Bubbles are very fun. Bubbles are very fun to pop, random person. But yeah, Jet, go down. You guys can tell we got ourselves the Euro sub cage right here, as you can see. It's the one with the weird bendy bend on the foot. And it's, I don't know what the difference is between the Euro bend and the standard bend is, but the
Euro one, the other one is called standard.
Thank you, Captain Obvious. We got that, and then we went ahead and got ourselves the Pro Series cage. I just went for all black just because I feel like for this color scheme right here on the bike, oh guys, go up. Still using the gimbal. For this color scheme on the bike, it would look really good just having the black pieces. So anyways, her and I are gonna go ahead and get started working on this. And she wants knowledge on some bikes, and so I'm gonna help her with that. And so, yeah.
Yeah, cool.
So anyways, I've got the jack underneath the motor to make it to where these bolts come out easier. I mean, I could literally just take this out and undo this by hand. And that's what you want when you're doing this. You want to jack this up to where there's no tension on this. It means that the engine has been lifted off and there's no pressure on these bolts. So you have no risk of the engine dropping on you while you're doing this. So anyways, so I'm gonna keep going and loosening all of these, and then my gosh, what the fuck? All right, just as a little tip for you F4i owners right here, you need to loosen the right side bolt first. If you're installing this crash cage, you need to loosen this one first because the other one will not move if you don't loosen this one.
What do you need me to do?
This is not very, like, as of right now, it's not very team-based effort.
Oh, no, it's not.
Here, would you like to...
I can just be your entertainment. I'm just going to do the call my
Would you like to insert the shaft?
Yes, I would very much enjoy that.
So I should be able to pull this out.
That's what she said. Or, well, he said, actually.
Look at this. Look at this piece.
That's
stocky. It is a stocky. Go away. Okay, so for you guys that are installing this at home, the left side of this, you need one spacer to go in here, no spacer in this hole right here, and you need this is the side because you're gonna get 3 long bolts, 1 short bolt. The 1 short bolt that you have goes into this left side center mount right here. So you got the left side center mount, you got the 3 bolts that go on both the 2 front mounts and the right center mount, and the short one just goes right into here. I'm not explaining this really well, so there are other tutorials on YouTube. I'm just trying to teach you guys the stuff that they don't teach you. So for you guys that need to know, the spacer goes in here. You only get 3 spacers. One's on the right center or left center, one on the right center, and one on the right front. This left one doesn't need one. I skipped through a lot of it because there were no really good angles, but I can put a couple other videos for installing this specific sub cage on the F4i in the description. But I'll teach you guys some things that those videos don't necessarily tell you. Spacers, because you only get 3 spacers, at least mine did. You need a spacer here on this center mount right here, and you don't need one for this. Why'd you beep? You need a spacer for this center mount, not for here, and you need a spacer on both of these ones right here because the coolant hose and the clutch cable are going to be coming through right here. You need to have a spacer here and a spacer here on this one to make it to where you don't where you don't squish this coolant hose to where no coolant flows through it. Like, it's squished right now, but coolant will flow through it. So I'm not too worried about it. And the cage, it's on there, it's secure. So you need spacer here, and spacer on, oh gosh.
I'll move out of the way.
Spacer on this one right here. So now, after this, all we gotta do is install these pucks. You see these holes right on the bottom side right here?
Oh my god, I did not even see that there were holes there.
Nope, there are holes there. And so...
Wait, this side. There
yeah.
You go.
So you want the Allen side facing out, screw that in, and then we'll get an Allen key to tighten that up. And I need to go find one, so I'm gonna go put the camera down while we put this stuff in. So we got this on. Now we are going to go ahead and work on getting the sub cage on.
Almost there.
Now we're going to work on getting the Euro sub cage on from Coxstone Parts. And in order to do that, this is probably one of the easiest things ever. Literally just these two bolts, the two bolts on the other side, pull both these rear sets, these rear passenger pegs off, and then call it good. We might have to see about raising the bike a little bit, just because of the fact that if you can see right here, I'm gonna tap the screen so I can show you guys. Right here, the guy who owned the bike before the guy that owned the bike before me, he put a...
two owners ago, previous owners.
2 owners ago, he was short and he lowered the bike. And so now I have got to see about raising the bike, which I'm going to do at some point anyways. So I might just go ahead and see if I can get like the cherry picker out and lift it up to where I can raise it. But for right now, I don't know. We'll figure it out, but yeah, we'll see. Holy shit, guys, this was
terrible.
This was a bitch. So we just spent like the last hour and a half, 2 hours. I don't even know how long it was.
It was since like 9 o'clock, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was about 9 o'clock.
It's 11 o'clock, almost 11 o'clock, 10 to 11 right now.
Holy
That was
shit.
painful. I pinched my hands, covered in grease. You're covered in grease. Your back hurts. Mine hurts. Oh my god.
Yeah, so anyways, the only reason we had to lift all this was because there's going to be like no room for the sub cage with all this because the bike was lowered. But hey, I've been meaning to do this anyways, and since I had the extra help, that was perfect. But so now we're going to go ahead and do this. It's only 4 bolts. Hopefully it'll get done quickly.
Yeah.
I'm tired. I want to go home. So now we are going to go ahead and get this done. All right, guys, so anyways, just to recap, my gimbal died, so I'm having to hold this in a weird way. We went ahead, got this installed, went ahead and got the rear set, the sub cage, that's what I'm talking about. We got the sub cage installed. And
tested it out a bit, but just any honesty, what it would be like. So that was like a sleigh. I wanted to refrain from saying that word, but I couldn't think of anything.
Yeah. Also, anyways. So we got that done, we got this thing raised. We actually accomplished a lot today, so high five. Boom.
That was a sucky high five, redo that.
I can't,
one more time.
I'm trying to look through the lens, so you just do it.
There we go.
Okay, there we go, that was a good one.
Finally, 3rd time's a charm.
But so, anyways, that is part 3 of the F4i build. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you can see the next time we upload more on this back here. And
yeah.
We will see you.
It's gonna be a long journey. Hopefully not too long, but
it's been an expensive journey.
Expensive journey. That's what I mean. Long
and expensive, but anyways,
it's gonna be worth it.
It is very, very much gonna be worth it.
Stay tuned.
Yeah.
This dude's awesome. Like his channel.
What we do here is go back.
We'll see you guys later. Peace out.